Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Vibes. This is episode 4. Today, we will learn how to shop in a store in English. I'm Tom, your teacher, and with me is my shopping expert, Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom. Hi, everyone. I love shopping.
Yes, shopping is fun. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel English Vibes, and don't forget to share this lesson with your friends. If you have questions or topics you want us to explain, write them in the comments. We will talk about them in future episodes. Anna, ready to buy some things today?
Yes, let's shop.
Awesome. Today's topic is shopping in a store. This is useful for clothes, food, or gifts. We will learn asking for items, sizes, prices, and paying. Anna, let's start. Imagine we are in a clothes store. I am the shop assistant. Hello, can I help you?
Hello, I am looking for a shirt.
Good. Let's repeat together. Everyone at home, say with us. I am looking for a shirt. Ready?
I am looking for a shirt.
Perfect. Now, Anna, say, what size?
What size?
As assistant, we have small, medium, large.
I need medium.
Nice. Listen, medium, medium, medium. Say it with me, Anna, and everyone.
Medium. Medium.
Yes, so good. Okay, everyone, pause and say, I need, and your size. For example, I need large. Go.
I need small.
Small. Let's say, I need small. Slowly.
I need small.
Perfect. Anna, now ask for the price.
How much is it?
How much is it? It is $20.
Okay, I will take it.
Great. Let's repeat. How much is it? Everyone say it.
How much is it?
Awesome. Everyone, what item do you want? Say it out loud. Anna, do you like red shirts?
Yes, red is nice.
Red. Let's say, I like red.
I like red.
Perfect. Now, first mini game. Guess the price. I say an item, you guess the price. Anna, shirt?
$5?
No, 20. Everyone, guess for pants. 10 or 30?
30.
Yes, great job. Everyone at home, pause and guess prices for 3 items. Okay, Anna, let's add more. You want shoes. Ask for them.
Do you have shoes?
Yes, let's repeat. Do you have shoes? Everyone, say it.
Do you have shoes?
Perfect. Anna, what color?
Black shoes.
Black. Say black shoes.
Black shoes.
Great. Everyone, say your color. Anna, now pay.
I will pay with cash.
Cash. Let's say, I will pay with cash.
I will pay with cash.
Awesome. Everyone say, I will pay with card or cash. Go. Okay, second mini game. Role play. Quick. I am customer. You are assistant. Start.
Hello, can I help?
Yes, I want a dress.
What size?
Large. How much?
$15.
Okay, thank you. Wow, Anna, fast. Everyone, pause and switch roles with a friend.
That was fun.
Yes, third mini game. Chain words. Say an item. I add color. You add size. Start with shirt.
Shirt.
Red shirt.
Red medium shirt.
Perfect. Everyone, build your chain. Item, color, size, price. Go. Anna, your turn. Pants.
Pants.
Blue pants.
Blue small pants.
$20. Great. Now, fourth mini game. Quiz time. Anna, what do you say for size?
What size?
Yes, everyone, quiz. How do you ask for price? Say it.
How much is it?
Correct. Anna, what for payment?
I will pay.
Perfect. Everyone, answer 3 quiz questions at home. Size, price, thanks.
Easy quiz.
Now, 5th minigame, repeat dialogue. Listen to me, then repeat the full shop talk. Hello, shirt, medium, $20, cash, thank you. Your turn.
Hello, shirt, medium, $20, cash, thank you.
Amazing! Everyone, pause and repeat a full dialogue. Okay, tips for shopping. Ask sizes, check prices, say thank you. Anna, your tip.
Try on clothes.
Try on. Let's say, can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
Great. Everyone, remember that. Now put it all together. I'll shop first. Hello, I am looking for shoes. Black, large. How much? $30. I will pay with card. Thank you. Your turn, Anna.
Hello, do you have a bag? Green, small. How much?
$10. Cash, please. Bye. Wow, Anna, expert. Everyone, pause and say your full shop story. Anna, was it fun?
Yes, very fun.
Let's do a fast chain game one more time. Item, color, size. Go, Anna.
Hat, yellow, small.
Perfect. Everyone, try fast. Okay, final practice. Say, hello, I want.
Hello, I want a shirt.
What size?
What size?
How much?
How much?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're a shopping star, Anna. Everyone, you're stars too. Practice shopping words every day. It helps you buy in English.
Yes, practice shopping. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome. Thank you, everyone. Subscribe to English Vibes, share, and write in the comments. What's your favorite thing to buy? What's your best shop tip? We'll read it. See you in future episodes. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Happy shopping.